Okay, so mga boss, ngayon naman, ngayong summer, baka meron sa inyong gustong mag-repaint ng inyong mga bahay. Alam niyo ba na merong na-discover ang Good Morning Boss na isang innovation pagdating sa mga pintura? Ano nga ba yan? Panoorin natin dito sa ating special feature.
Are you tired of simple wallpaper design and single-colored paint scheme? Well, the long wait is over. An international paint company has launched recently their new products here in the Philippines, bringing new innovative ideas and technologies for the local paint industry. Being the largest paint company in Southeast Asia, it aims to promote not just new varieties of colors of their products, but also new techniques in uplifting your usual plain painted walls by giving texture, depth, and rejuvenating ambience.
Beyond just colors, I think one of the products that you are interested in is actually Nippon Momento paint. And this paint is a texture paint, it's a special effect paint. It's going beyond just visual experience, where you can actually feel the texture of the paint. Now this paint, two different types. The first one is a texture series, where you just paint, instead of painting a normal solid color like any other paint.
You can get any color of your choice at the paint center or the big box immediately when you want it. And if you cannot decide, we also have the color collaterals where you can take home. Decide with your husband or wives and your children and come back and we will give you the color.
They also introduced green innovations as one of their commitment to slow down global warming.
We want to educate the consumers that actually you have to use a very specific paint for exterior and a very specific paint for interior. So for the exterior quality, we will make sure that it is very durable for the Asian climate. Whereas for the interior, you have a different set of need. For instance, you don't want to be having smell because your child may be at home. You want to be washable because your kid may be doodling on the wall.
Now in their third decade in the Philippine paint industry, introducing these new painting solutions for local customers is expected to project on company sales growth in 3 years.
A differentiated product offering. And with our color tinting machines, our thousands of colors, our special effects paint, we believe that we can carve a slice of the market for ourselves. The last couple of years, we have won many international awards for our green products. So Malaysia Group, which has an entire portfolio of green products, are going to be brought to the Philippines.
Innovative coatings that recreates possibilities. These new paint products assures that having new varieties of colors and design can make creative Filipino lives more colorful.
We hope you welcome and support us, and we will work with you to make the Philippines a very colorful place.